Imagine investing in the backbone of the next technological revolution. The artificial intelligence boom, where innovation is accelerating at a pace we've never seen before. With all the hype and noise, how do you spot the real winners in this rapidly evolving landscape? Today we're cutting through the noise and focusing on what truly matters. We'll reveal two companies not just riding the AI wave but building it, a hardware giant powering AI's brains, and a data pioneer solving the world's toughest problems with cutting-edge solutions. These aren't random picks. They're strategic powerhouses with explosive growth potential and a proven track record of innovation. We'll break down what they do, why they lead, and how they could transform your portfolio for years to come. We'll look at their performance, future outlook, and why Wall Street is buzzing with excitement. This is about understanding the tech shift and positioning yourself for the future, before the next big leap. The AI wave is building fast. Will you ride it or get left behind as others seize the opportunity? This information could change your financial future. Don't miss a second of what's coming next. If you watch one video today, make it this one for the insights you need. Get ready for insights to power your investment decisions and help you stay ahead. Grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in together. Subscribe for more essential investing updates and never miss an opportunity. Don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. Let's start with our first AI powerhouse, Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, a name that's become synonymous with innovation and high-performance technology. When you think AI, you might picture software, but none of it works without high-performance hardware. The real magic happens at the silicon level, where raw computational power is unleashed. That's where AMD comes in, making massive waves in the AI chip market and redefining what's possible for next-generation computing. For years, one company dominated AI chips. Now AMD is challenging that dominance with relentless innovation and a bold vision for the future. They design and manufacture cutting-edge GPUs and CPUs, the brains and muscle behind AI, powering everything from research labs to global enterprises. Every major AI application, from training language models to powering data centers, needs AMD's processing power. Their chips are the engines driving the AI revolution forward. Their recent performance? Spectacular. The stock's growth is backed by strong fundamentals and a clear strategy that's winning over both Wall Street and Silicon Valley. AMD's Instinct MI300 series is a game-changer, designed for generative AI and already adopted by tech giants like Microsoft, Meta, and Oracle. This chip is setting new standards for performance and efficiency. When the biggest names in tech choose your hardware, you're doing something right. It's a clear signal to the market that AMD is a trusted partner for the future. Under CEO Dr. Lisa Su, AMD has transformed from underdog to industry leader, consistently delivering on its roadmap and exceeding expectations. Investors aren't just betting on technology, they're betting on a proven team with a track record of execution and vision. The AI chip market is set to explode, and AMD is positioned to capture a huge share thanks to its relentless focus on innovation and quality. They're not just about AI chips, their strong PC and gaming presence provides stability as they expand, creating a balanced business model. Analysts remain bullish, seeing plenty of room for growth as AI demand surges and new markets open up. AMD's R&D pipeline is packed with next-gen tech, keeping them ahead of the curve and ready to meet tomorrow's challenges. Why is AMD a top AI pick? They're a direct play on the AI revolution's foundation, providing the essential hardware that makes breakthroughs possible. As AI grows, so does demand for their hardware, a classic picks and shovels play, but with a modern high-tech twist. They offer compelling value, often beating the competition on performance and price, making them a favorite among both enterprises and developers. Dr. Lisa Su's leadership is a major asset, providing stability and vision that inspires confidence across the industry. Financially, AMD is strong, with a solid balance sheet and robust cash flow fueling R&D and future growth. The narrative is shifting. AMD is no longer just an alternative. They're a true technology powerhouse, setting trends rather than following them. The AI build-out is massive. Every industry, healthcare, finance, automotive, entertainment, needs AMD's hardware to unlock new possibilities. Their expanding product portfolio covers everything from data centers to edge devices, diversifying revenue, and reducing risk for the company and its investors. We're still in the early innings of the AI revolution, and AMD is providing the essential building blocks that will shape the next decade. Of course, there are risks. Semiconductors are cyclical and competition is fierce, But AMD's resilience and strong roadmap set them apart from the rest. Their open software ecosystem, like ROCm, makes it easier for customers to adopt their hardware, accelerating market share gains and fostering innovation. AMD is building a loyal developer community, a long-term advantage over more closed competitors, and a key to sustained growth. The big picture, cutting-edge tech, massive market opportunity, strong leadership, and a smart strategy, makes AMD a standout. AMD is firing on all cylinders, perfectly positioned for the AI era and ready to seize new opportunities as they arise. Investing in AMD is a bet on AI's continued growth, one of the safest, most lucrative bets today, with the potential for outsized returns. Their momentum is undeniable, and the potential for future growth is immense, especially as AI adoption accelerates worldwide. AMD is now an indispensable player in AI hardware, and their journey is just beginning, with much more to come. For investors seeking exposure to the AI infrastructure boom, AMD is a top choice, offering both growth and stability. They're providing the tools for the next tech revolution, an attractive long-term investment for those who believe in the future of AI. Watch this company closely. As they roll out new products and win major customers, their influence will only grow, shaping the industry's direction. AMD is a true titan in the making, a cornerstone for any serious AI investment portfolio, and a company with global impact. The AI revolution is just getting started, and AMD is at the heart of it, powering the innovations of tomorrow. Their technology powers the future, and their leadership ensures they'll stay ahead, no matter how the landscape evolves. The demand for AI chips is vast. There's room for multiple winners, and AMD is leading the charge with relentless drive. Their strategy of diversification and innovation makes them resilient in a volatile industry, able to weather storms and seize new opportunities. AMD's open approach attracts developers and customers, building a strong ecosystem that supports long-term growth. Their financial health allows for aggressive investment in future technologies, ensuring they remain at the forefront of innovation. The company's reputation is shifting. They're now seen as a peer to the market leader, not just a challenger. Institutional and retail investors are taking notice, fueling further growth and adding momentum to AMD's rise. AMD's influence spans industries, making them a key player in the global AI build-out and a name to watch. Their comprehensive product lineup addresses every segment of the AI market, from consumer devices to enterprise solutions. This broad approach ensures growth across the spectrum of AI applications, capturing value wherever innovation happens. AMD's vision is long-term, focused on sustainable growth and innovation that will define the next era of technology. Their journey from underdog to leader is a testament to execution and vision, inspiring confidence in their future. With a market cap of $232.97 billion, earnings per share of $1.38, and a lofty PE ratio of 104.21, the company pulled in $25.79 billion in revenue for 2024, translating into a net income of $1.64 billion. Despite this, AMD's current stock price of $143.81 is still trading nearly 78.5% below its estimated fair value of $256.69. A gap that's turning heads. A major driver behind AMD's recent surge is its rapidly growing data center segment. Revenue here is up an impressive 57%, thanks in large part to the booming demand for artificial intelligence technologies. AMD's Instinct GPUs and EPIC CPUs are proving to be formidable players in the AI hardware race, and that's not going unnoticed. In fact, the stock itself has rallied over 40% in recent sessions, climbing nearly 7% in just a single day. Wall Street is taking note, with analysts raising their price targets to between $165 and $175. The consensus? Confidence in AMD's long-term growth trajectory is on the rise. Part of that confidence stems from AMD's competitive positioning. Analysts are highlighting the company's strong cost-to-performance ratio and robust memory capacity, two critical differentiators that give AMD an edge over rivals like NVIDIA. With AI-related revenue expected to grow more than 60% annually, the company is carving out a bigger piece of a very lucrative pie. And that's not all. As global tech firms, cloud providers, and even governments ramp up spending on AI infrastructure, AMD is perfectly positioned to benefit. Its chip architecture is increasingly being recognized by key voices in the tech industry as essential to powering the next wave of AI applications. That recognition fuels both credibility and continued investor interest. Put simply, AMD is not just keeping up in the AI race, it's accelerating. With strong financials, growing market share, and a clear strategic focus on future technologies, the company is making a compelling case for long-term investment in the ever-evolving semiconductor space. For investors, AMD represents a rare combination of growth, stability, and innovation. qualities that are hard to find in one company. The company's future is bright, with new opportunities emerging as AI adoption accelerates and technology evolves. AMD's commitment to open standards and customer choice sets them apart, making their solutions accessible and future-proof. Their leadership team is among the best in tech, driving consistent results and inspiring trust from partners and investors alike. The AI hardware market is expanding rapidly, and AMD is capturing its share with agility and expertise. Keep AMD on your radar. They're shaping the future of computing and redefining what's possible in AI. This is a company built for the AI era, ready to power the next wave of technological breakthroughs and transform industries worldwide. If AMD builds the brains of AI, our next company gives those brains purpose. Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. This is a company that's not just riding the AI wave, but actively shaping its direction and impact on the world. Palantir isn't your average software company. They solve the world's toughest data problems for governments and corporations, tackling challenges that most others wouldn't dare to touch. Think of them as digital detectives, making sense of vast, messy, disconnected data that would otherwise be impossible to analyze. Their platforms, Gotham and Foundry, unify information from hundreds of sources, revealing hidden patterns and enabling critical decisions that can change the course of organizations and even nations. Palantir built its reputation with the US government, providing tools for intelligence, defense, and law enforcement, often in high-stakes, mission-critical scenarios. This work demanded software that's secure, scalable, and battle-tested, giving Palantir a huge competitive edge and a level of trust that's hard to earn. Now, the real excitement is their rapid commercial expansion, as they bring their expertise to the private sector. They've taken lessons from government work and created Foundry, helping corporations tackle complex data challenges that are increasingly common in today's digital world. Whether it's optimizing supply chains, accelerating drug discovery, or detecting fraud, Palantir's Foundry is the go-to tool for organizations that need to make sense of their data fast. Their new artificial intelligence platform, AIP, is a game-changer, letting organizations deploy AI on their private data securely, without ever compromising sensitive information. Many companies hesitate to use public AI models due to data privacy. Palantir's AIP brings AI to the data, not the other way around, ensuring compliance and peace of mind. Demand for AIP is exploding. CEO Alex Karp reports unprecedented interest, with AIP bootcamps turning prospects into customers in days. A pace rarely seen in enterprise software. This has supercharged Palantir's commercial growth, diversifying revenue, and unlocking new potential in industries far beyond their original government roots. Palantir's mission-driven culture is a magnet for talent and customers. They're passionate about using data to solve real-world problems, not just theoretical ones. Their work has tangible impact, from finding missing children to reducing carbon footprints and even helping organizations respond to global crises. Customers form deep partnerships with Palantir, leading to sticky, long-term relationships and recurring revenue that provides stability for the business. From an investment perspective, Palantir stands out for several reasons that go beyond just financials. First, their technology has a massive moat. It's incredibly hard to replicate thanks to years of development and real-world testing. Second, their commercial expansion is just beginning. Every major corporation is a potential customer, and the addressable market is enormous. As more companies realize AIP's power, Palantir's growth could accelerate even further, creating a virtuous cycle of adoption and innovation. Third, they've achieved consistent profitability, a major milestone and a sign of business strength and operational discipline. CEO Alex Karp is a visionary, bringing a unique perspective and unwavering commitment to the company's mission and long-term vision. Palantir is often seen as expensive, but you're investing in what it could become over the next decade, not just what it is today. They're at the forefront of the enterprise AI revolution, providing the software layer that unlocks data's value and drives digital transformation. Their business model is highly scalable. Once a customer adopts Foundry, it becomes deeply embedded, switching costs are high and usage tends to grow over time. Think of Foundry as an operating system for the enterprise. Once you're in, you expand usage over time, integrating more processes and data sources. This land and expand model is fueling phenomenal growth, especially in the US commercial sector, where demand is surging. Their government business remains a strong, stable foundation, supporting aggressive commercial expansion and innovation. Palantir solves a fundamental problem: how to use AI and data for better decisions, faster and with more confidence. They're not just selling tools, they're selling transformation, helping organizations reinvent themselves for the digital age. With a proven track record, visionary leadership, and a massive competitive moat, Palantir is a pure play on enterprise AI and the future of data-driven business. Investing in Palantir is a bet that data will remain the most valuable asset, and AI will unlock its potential for decades to come. Their growing ecosystem of developers and data scientists strengthens their market position and drives continuous innovation. While the stock can be volatile, the long-term thesis is compelling, especially for those who believe in the power of data and AI. Palantir is building the software infrastructure for the future with unmatched security and sophistication at its core. They sit at the intersection of big data, cloud computing, and AI, a powerful combination that few can match. For long-term investors seeking high growth and a durable advantage, Palantir is a top pick with enormous potential. They're a true AI pioneer, and their journey is just beginning, with much more to come as the world embraces AI. Ignore the short-term noise, focus on the fundamentals and the company's long-term vision. Palantir has the technology, team, and opportunity to become a generational company that shapes the future of enterprise software. Their ability to turn data into a strategic asset sets them apart from the competition. In an age of information overload, finding clarity is a superpower, and that's what Palantir delivers to its clients. This isn't just another SaaS company, it's a mission-driven force changing how institutions operate and make decisions. With AIP, they've added rocket fuel to their growth engine, accelerating adoption and innovation. Hold on tight, Palantir's ride is just getting started, and the best may be yet to come. Their platforms are becoming essential for organizations navigating the AI era, helping them stay ahead of the curve. The company's focus on security and privacy is a key differentiator, especially as data regulations tighten worldwide. As AI adoption accelerates, Palantir's solutions become even more critical for organizations seeking to harness the full power of their data. Their recurring revenue model provides stability and predictability, supporting long-term growth. Palantir's influence is growing across industries and governments worldwide, making it a truly global force. Their commitment to innovation ensures they'll stay ahead of the curve, no matter how fast technology evolves. The company's culture attracts top talent and fosters long-term partnerships, fueling ongoing success. Palantir's vision is reshaping how organizations harness data and AI, setting new standards for the industry. With a market cap of $307.07 billion, earnings per share of 24 cents and a towering PE ratio of 544.75, Palantir posted $2.87 billion in revenue for 2024, alongside net income of $462.19 million. The company recently reported a standout quarter, with revenue up 39% year-over-year. Its U.S. commercial division is now running at an annual rate exceeding $1 billion, while its government segment grew 45%, driven by strong federal contracts. These figures underscore Palantir's growing footprint in both the public and private sectors. One of the most interesting moves recently is Palantir's new partnership with the nuclear company. Together, they're developing AI-powered software to streamline nuclear plant construction, a bold initiative that positions Palantir at the intersection of energy and artificial intelligence. It's a strategic alignment that could open doors across both industries. Analysts have taken note of the company's trajectory, with several reiterating their buy ratings. While there are some cautious voices in the mix, the broader sentiment remains positive, especially as the company continues to innovate within the rapidly growing AI sector. That said, it's not all smooth sailing. Palantir continues to face public protests over its involvement in surveillance and immigration enforcement programs. These controversies could impact the company's reputation and long-term stability, making it a stock that comes with both promise and risk. Despite those challenges, Palantir appears to be on solid footing. Its aggressive push into AI, growing commercial contracts, and consistent revenue gains make it a name to watch closely in the tech space. For investors, it's a matter of weighing the company's high growth potential against the reputational and regulatory risks that come with it. For investors, it's a rare opportunity to back a company at the forefront of a technological revolution that's only gaining momentum. Palantir is a name every serious AI investor should know and keep on their radar. The future of enterprise AI is being built right now, and Palantir is leading the way, shaping how organizations will operate for years to come. So there you have it, 2 absolute AI leaders to watch as the revolution unfolds. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.